of the things we like best here at AIM is the reviewing and testing of darts and darts equipment. The more testing we do, the more information we've got for the benefit of players as time goes on. These are the Daryl Gurney Special Edition from Winmore. They're the 22 gram version, although the reason we're doing them today is because they've just added a 26 gram for the Winmore 2020. We have a 50.8mm barrel, which takes us to the collar for the point. 6.4mm wide at the widest point, tapering down to what will be about 3.5mm at, again, the collar of the point. 22 grams, 90% tungsten. What you've got is a stem section, which would be very handy for perhaps a rear grip thrower who liked a little bit of grip there. You can have a mid throw or even a front throw.
Okay, the compound grip is a combination of horizontal and vertical cuts to the barrel, producing mini squares or rectangles of grip, which are then built up with coatings of onyx and nitride to the barrel. Produces a less aggressive but still very exact grip. The free flow point that Winmore produce connects the point to the barrel without any obvious junction at all, reduces damage to flights, and produces a very smooth, reliable flight of the dart with little or no deflection.
What you've got is some rear grip players think that the section here is a little small, and one or two thought that it was a fraction sharp, but they also thought that they could get used to it, which kind of tells you what they thought of the dart in general. The only other negative was one person wished that the middle blank didn't exist. They retail around a £42–43 mark. You can pick them up for a little bit less, sometimes 37–38 online. It compares favourably with one of the other Gurney models, perhaps the gold one for example, which is 54mm long and therefore a more specialist dart than this. At AIM we give the darts marks out of 10. Its average is 9.5, which is the highest we've ever given. So all in all, pretty outstanding darts and a pleasure to test.